What's up, everyone? Welcome to the garage. This is where me and my friend Joey Robinson will be doing a build series. Right now we got a 21 model Cummins with us. It's pretty close to stock right now. It's got a 5-inch straight pipe on it. It's got 12 RGB plus W rock lights in it. They're color changing. And other than that, really, that's about all it's got on it right now. Today, we're going to be installing some Recon cab lights. These are the all black LEDs. We're going to be doing a full LED swap on this truck. We're just waiting for parts to come in right now. So we got these in yesterday, and these are going to be the first thing we're going to put in. We took some before pictures. I'm not going to show it on the video, but I'm going to throw the pictures in here in a minute when we get them installed. We are going to do a time lapse to let y'all see the process of how to install them. And yeah, we're going to open this box up and show you what we got. All right, so here are the cab lights. We'll show you what comes inside the box. They offer a set of these cab lights if your truck doesn't originally come with them. You drill the holes in it, it comes with the wires and everything, but mine already had them. So right here, I've already opened this one up. Here's one of the lights. You see it's solid black. And these are basically plug and play lights. There's not much to them. What they give you in the box, they give you some more seals. But you unstick these right here and you'll place them right here on top or on the bottom, my bad. And then right here are the screws they come with, pretty much just like factory. I don't think I'm going to be using these. I'm going to use my factory screws. But that's about all it comes with. Just basic, very simple, plug and play. These things weigh maybe, they don't weigh anything, hardly. They're light as could be. So yeah, y'all, let's get to it. All right, y'all, as you can see, we got them on. Took us a little bit longer. It took us a little bit longer than we expected. Ran into a few problems, rookie mistakes, I guess you could say, but
don't use, like how they say on YouTube, don't use the aftermarket bolts.
No.
You'll strip them out and you'll need a new bit instantly. The aftermarket bolts are not made up to the factory ones. Put the factory ones back in.
But yeah, I mean, that's about it. Next up, I'll go ahead and give y'all a little spoiler alert. As you can see right here, trying to figure out how to point at it. Right there, you see the little orange light. We're gonna work on the mirror lights next. We're gonna get rid of this orange here on the headlights too. We're going to LED everything out if nothing don't happen. It's going to be a process. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys follow, subscribe. I hope you guys follow along on the next part or the next few parts we install in this truck. I'd say by January it's going to look a little bit different if nothing don't happen. I mean, we'll just see what happens. But thank y'all for watching, and we'll catch you next time.